There's a reason why the TruXedo Lo Pro is the #1 selling soft roll-up truck bed cover in North America. Its signature low-profile design sits low on your truck bed for an integrated look. It features our UV-resistant leather grain vinyl that enhances the look of any truck. Our patented automatic tension control ensures the cover stays tight and smooth, so it looks good in all temperatures and weather conditions. You can install Lo Pro in less than 20 minutes without drilling or special tools. First, mount the rails to the bed using our industrial-grade clamps. Then, simply connect the cover assembly to the rails by snapping them in place. Roll the cover all the way back to the tailgate and slam it shut to latch it. Our hook and loop system will seal the cover to the rails. To drive with the cover fully open, just pull the trigger latch, conveniently located at the driver's side of the truck, to release the cover. Then simply roll the cover to the front of the truck bed and secure with the safety straps. This allows unrestricted access to your truck bed. Lo Pro is equipped with our quick release system, allowing you to remove the entire cover in seconds without the need of any tools. Every time you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that we put all our covers to the test, making sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. We custom tailor each Lo Pro to your truck's specific year, make, and model for a guaranteed fit. When used with the locking tailgate, Lo Pro will keep your belongings secure all year round. Its tight front and tailgate seals keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. We proudly manufacture Lo Pro here in the USA and back it with our lifetime warranty. At TruXedo, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between great design and functionality. With Lo Pro, you can finally have both. TruXedo. Cover your truck, live your life.